Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to show y'all how I did this glueless closure install using this HD closure wig from VIP Hair. This hair is bomb, y'all, and the closure is even better. Like, this is a real HD closure. I ain't lying to y'all. Y'all really have to see for yourself, but this is a real HD closure, not the fake HD transparent. Like, do you see this? This is a real HD closure. I know because I sell real HD closures, and this is definitely a real HD closure. And it comes with four combs and elastic band and adjustable straps in it already. Of course, y'all probably know, but I removed my combs because I don't like them, and I also add my own adjustable strap. But if you don't want to do that, it does come with everything that you need already. You can literally just put it on and cut the lace off, and of course you want to plug. Oh, it also comes pre-plucked and the knots come pre-bleached. I do recommend, though, if you are lighter skin tone, that you do bleach the knots again, because they don't come really like bleach really light, so you might want to bleach them a little lighter. I could have even bleached them a little lighter, but yeah, I wasn't about to do that because I just didn't feel like it, and I wanted this to be a quick and easy tutorial. So I am plucking out my middle part. As y'all know, I do pull the hair out of mine, and then I go back and pluck out whatever is left over. So this portion of the video is basically me just plucking out a nice clean part. I am going to be plucking out 2 rows of hair. If the knots were bleached better or lighter, I would have only plucked out 1 row. So yeah, I'm just gonna be plucking and molding it down with the mousse, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when it's time for me to put it on. Okay, so now I'm done plucking. This is what a clean part looks like, and this is my braid pattern. My braids are a little chunky in the back, but they are nice and flat in the top and in the front. I'm just showing y'all that I did cut the lace off prior to the video, but I am going to be clipping it a little bit more because I had excess lace on there, and I'm going to be using some Gorilla Snot to slick my edges down and a little bit in the middle of my head, just making sure that my hair is not sticking outside of my wig and making sure that it's nice, flat, and smooth. So I'm just going to be putting my wig on and adjusting it in place to make sure that it's sitting where I want it to sit. And I'm also going to be making sure to match up the part in my wig and the part of my braids, like in my actual hair, so that it doesn't look dark underneath my wig because you can see the braids. So just making sure that everything is lined up evenly so that it can look like scalp. Yes, scalp, scalp, scalp. Please, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to be plucking out some hair. I probably could have plucked it a little bit better, but I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of in a rush when I did this, and I knew that I was gonna have my hair in my face anyway, and also it wouldn't have looked as full if the knots would have been more bleached. So keep that in mind as well. And I didn't do anything as far as bleaching it. So I'm going to be parting some hair out for my baby hair and pinning the rest, well, clipping the rest back. And on this side right here, I am going to pluck a little bit of the baby hair as well. Okay, so now that I've cut and plucked my baby hair, I'm going to be using some lace tint to darken up my lace a little bit, because transparent HD closures do come pretty much see-through, but they're kind of light if you are brown. So of course, if you're brown, you want to use makeup or lace tint. In my case, I'm going to actually use both in this video. So after I spray it, get the lace tint on there, I am going to be using some Afro G mousse to mold my baby hair into place. I am going to go back after I'm done molding them and gel them down. That's just my preference. You don't have to do this. They will be perfectly fine just to be molded and left that way. I like to gel mine down because that's just the look that I personally like. But to each his own, and everybody has their own preference. So whatever you prefer, do it that way. So yeah, after I'm done molding my baby hair into place, I'm going to be using a wrap strip, and I'm going to tie it down, and I'm going to style my hair. I'm just going to do some flat iron curls and flatten the top down with my hot comb, and then after that, I'm going to come back to y'all. Okay, so I'm going to use this CoverGirl palette to make my lace match my skin even more. And after I'm done with that, I'm just going to blend it in with my finger. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to finish styling it. Basically, I'm just trying to get my curls to frame my face how I want them to. Honestly, I should have just added some face framing layers, but I don't know why I didn't. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. This is pretty much the end of the video. I didn't do much after this, just get it how I want it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions, comments, or concern in the comment section below, and I will leave everything you need to know about this hair and the link to this hair in the description bar below. Thank you for watching. Bye.